National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a small stream flood advisory for Gasconade County in east central Missouri until noon Central Daylight Time at 7:37 a.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms with heavy rainfall across the advisory area. Doppler radar estimated that 2.5 to 3 inches of rain has fallen in the past 24 hours. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause minor flooding to occur, especially along small streams and near low water crossings. Some locations that will experience minor flooding include Herman, Owensville, Blant, Drape, Mount Sterling, and Rosebud. Train spotters reported that low water crossings were flooded in the Blant area. A small stream flood advisory means river or stream flows are elevated or ponding of water is occurring or is imminent. Most deaths in flash flooding occur in automobiles. Do not attempt to cross ridges, DITs, or low water crossings if water covers a roadway. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even the small one, on foot or in a vehicle.